Welcome to the Glowfit Harmony channel, your go-to destination for holistic wellness and a balanced lifestyle. I am thrilled to embark on this journey with you as we explore the path to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life at Glowfit Harmony. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and inspiration to achieve overall well-being encompassing physical fitness, mental resilience, and a harmonious connection with your body and mind. So here we go. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is a well-known adage that underscores the health benefits associated with consuming apples regularly. This saying has become ingrained in popular culture, emphasizing the positive impact of incorporating apples into one's daily diet. The advantage of eating apple in a day. 1. Rich in nutrients, apples are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and fiber, contributing to overall well-being. 2. Dietary fiber. The high fiber content in apples aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and regulates blood sugar levels. 3. Heart health. Regular apple consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease due to the presence of antioxidants and soluble fiber. 4. Boosts immunity. Apples contain immune-boosting antioxidants like vitamin C, helping the body defend itself against illnesses. 5. Weight management. The fiber content in apples promotes a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. 6. Oral health. Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, reducing the risk of tooth decay and maintaining oral health. 7. Blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber in apples helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable snack for individuals with diabetes. 8. Natural energy source. The natural sugars in apples provide a quick energy boost, making them a healthy alternative to processed snacks and sugary beverages. 9. Dental health. Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, which can help neutralize bacteria and maintain oral health. A healthy mouth is often associated with overall well-being. 10. Fiber content. The high fiber content in apples can aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, potentially assisting with weight management and overall digestive health. Apples are a rich source of various nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin C, and antioxidants. These components play crucial roles in supporting a healthy immune system, aiding digestion, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The dietary fiber in apples, particularly soluble fiber like pectin, may help regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol. The phrase is more of a simplified reminder to encourage a balanced and healthy diet. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your daily meals can contribute to overall well-being. If you're interested in achieving a healthier and more balanced lifestyle, consider subscribing to Glowfit Harmony on YouTube. Our channel is dedicated to providing insightful content on fitness, wellness, and overall well-being. By subscribing and hitting the like button, you not only support our community, but also ensure you stay updated on our latest videos. Let's embark on this journey together towards a happier, healthier, and more harmonious life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to join the Glowfit Harmony family. Thank you for your support.